This tutorial will show you how to sew curved pieces with your shorthand template. After glue basting your pieces together, you can choose to put a flat foot on your machine or something that guides your 1/4 inch seam. I prefer to work without the guide. There are a few different ways to sew your shorthand template, but a scant 1/4 inch is usually the way to go. All you're doing is lining up that edge of your fabric with the very edge of your 1/4 inch seam guide. Don't worry about everything else that's going on, simply follow the guide. Curved piecing really doesn't have to be as scary as it sounds. Keep sewing a consistent 1/4 inch seam all the way down to the bottom. You'll notice as you get to the bottom that you're going to have your needle go through a little gap in the fabric where the two fabrics meet. That's how you know that you're on target. Sew all the way to the end. Raise your needle, cut your threads. And then we'll press to the outside edge or towards your background fabric. Now that we've pressed and glue basted our pieces together again, we're going to sew our second side. Again, you want your needle to land right where that gap is between your fabrics. Make sure you start on the fabric, not in the gap, and use the same 1/4 inch mark as you did before. The name of the game here is being consistent. If you're on your seam guide, stay there. If you're a scant 1/4 inch, stay there. As you get closer to the end, you'll notice that your stitches want to overlap. That's exactly what you want to do. I actually ignore that 1/4 inch guide once I get to those stitches, and I just want to make sure that my new stitches land right on top of the old. So all the way to the end, raise your needle, cut your thread, and this is what it should look like. We'll press to the outside edge again, and then press the whole block for good measure. For more information on the shorthand template or to order your set, go to rachelrossi.design/shorthand.